Welcome to our instructional video on how to simplify the integer exponent problem, 2 to the power of 6 minus 2 to the power of 2. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of simplifying this expression using the laws of exponents. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of how to simplify integer exponent problems like this one. Let's dive in. To simplify the integer exponent problem, 2 to the power of 6 minus 2 to the power of 2, we first need to understand the meaning of each term. The term 2 to the power of 6 means we multiply the number 2 by itself 6 times. Similarly, the term 2 to the power of 2 means we multiply the number 2 by itself 2 times. So let's break it down into simpler parts. First, calculate the value of 2 to the power of 6. This means we multiply 2 by itself 6 times. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 64. Next, calculate the value of 2 to the power of 2. This means we multiply 2 by itself 2 times. 2 times 2 equals 4. Now that we have these values, we can substitute them back into our original expression. So the expression 2 to the power of 6 minus 2 to the power of 2 becomes 64 minus 4. So in this step, we have changed the expression from 2 to the power of 6 minus 2 to the power of 2 to 64 minus 4. This helps to simplify the problem to basic arithmetic by turning the expression into a simple subtraction problem, which will be addressed in the next step. Now let's proceed to step 2 of solving the problem. Our goal in this step is to simplify the expression 64 minus 4. By performing this subtraction, we will get a simpler numeric value. First, we understand that 64 minus 4 is a basic arithmetic problem. We simply need to subtract 4 from 64. So we start with 64 and take away 4. 64 minus 4 equals 60. So we have successfully simplified the expression from 2 to the power of 6 minus 2 to the power of 2 to 64 minus 4 and then to 60. In this final form, the expression simplifies to the number 60. Thus, we have completed the problem, and the final answer is 60. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.